Alright, so this tiny little thing, can it replace your soldering station? It runs off USB-C and best of all, it fits in your pocket. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be testing this thing out. My name's Neil and welcome back to Retro For You. Today we're checking out this Sequre S60 Nano, a mini soldering iron designed for precision work, repairs and soldering on the go. Now I'll be honest, I'm maybe not expecting too much of this because of the size of the thing. But let's just see what it can actually do. So let's just get this unzipped and have a look inside. Wow, I wasn't expecting that much inside this little package. Now it comes with a little stand here with a sponge if you need it so. You also get a USB-C adapter, which unfortunately is a EU one, so it's not actually any good for me as I live in the UK. And we have a cable, which is a nice quality braided cable. Take a look at that. That is good quality. I hate it when you give them cheap cables. We have a soldering tip. We'll get back to that later. A QR code for the manual, which you can just scan. And in here, we have the pen itself. And it is very, very small. Now, first opinions on this is it feels pretty solid. Not cheap and not flimsy. But the big thing is that it is USB-C powered, which means you can run it off a good charger and also maybe even a power bank, which already makes this way more flexible than a normal soldering setup. So with the likes of me going to repair cafes, etc., able to carry two little packages like this instead of my whole huge setup, this is absolutely amazing. Here's what you're getting with this. Let's go over some of the features. You get up to 60 watts of power, a USB-C, PD and QC support, adjustable temperature all the way up to 500 degrees, a built-in OLED screen, and best of all, it uses the C210 tips, which are proper precision tips and not some cheap proprietary stuff. You've also got settings, calibration and even customizable options, which is honestly mad for something in such a small package. Right, let's power this up and see how fast it heats up. I've set it to 500. It's currently sat at 26 degrees. There you go. That proved that it isn't just a con. Now, I'm just going to turn this on and see how quick it goes. I'm going to try start this timer as quick as I can, as precisely as I can. Did the timer go on? Yes, it did. Now, look at that. It literally took, I'd say, 3 seconds. That was phenomenal. And is that at 500 degrees? I'm not going to touch it, but I have got to get some solder. I'll just see how that melts. Yeah, look at that straight away. That is crazy speed. Unbelievable. That has just totally amazed me. It was literally like 3 seconds. And it's holding the solder as well, which is nice, in a nice blob. So I'm just going to put it on its little stand here. Now we're going to do some soldering and see how it works. See if it solders nicely. We're just going to put a socket on to this Sinclair board here. Now I am going to reduce the temperature a bit because 500 is a bit overkill for this, but bear with me. Let me get a socket and we'll try see if we can get that sorted. 400. There you go. Or 350 we're going to set it to. I'm just going to see how well it solders these legs here. Let's just give it a go. Soldering, it feels quite nice. I mean, it's very lightweight. And you can see here now, it's soldering very well indeed. I more than happily will use this at the repair cafes, and the speed it heats up is, like I said, is phenomenal. It is crazy, guys. Look at this. No problem at all. So this thing has totally impressed me, and next week I've got another video dropping on another tool from Sequre. So thank you Sequre for sending me these things for testing. So make sure you're subscribed because you don't want to miss this, because there may be a giveaway in next week's video. And as always, please check out my YouTube buddies down below, the likes of Captain Commodore, 8-Bit Retro Refix. They do great things themselves as well. So on that note, I shall see you next time on Retro for You. See you soon, guys. Bye.